I am Tyagarajan, Circle Head of Punjab National Bank, located at Hyderabad, in charge of the entire Andhra operations. In Andhra, we have about 85 branches, including a large corporate branch located at Hyderabad. And we do a total business of about 10,000 crores in Andhra. Our area of operations covers a large gamut. Like in advances, we give it to large corporates, we give it to retail, and we have a very, very good bias on agriculture. For instance, in ornamental nursery in Rajamundri area, fisheries in Eluri area, and with regard to crop loans all over the state. And we have been achieving all the targets fixed by what we call as the annual credit plan of state level bankers committee, and we have been exceeding almost all the targets and all the parameters. We have been extending a very good service, and as my GM has already said, we are celebrating a savings campaign which will be available up to the 30th September of this month. And we expect a large amount of support from all the people in Andhra so that we can grow, and in turn we can do a very good service to the bankers, to the customers. Educational loan also, in AP we have been extending all kinds of retail loans like housing loan, educational loan, car loan, and as well as mortgage based loans. And we have a specialized retail asset branch in Abits, Hyderabad, which also takes care of this. Apart from that, some banks in Hyderabad and all other branches located outside Hyderabad are doing their retail loans on their own. We have got a very good portfolio covering all areas of retail loan and including educational loan. Now, we grow in all these segments around about 20% per annum. Really about 20% per annum we grow, and we fix up ambitious targets also, sometimes even extending up to 42%. And we have been able to show a very good growth in all the segments in banking. In this all retail based branches, we have got a locker facility, except in certain specialized branches like retail asset or a large corporate branch. And depending upon the requirement, we give them the small, medium and big size lockers. And depending upon the requirement, we keep adding the capacity also at a very, very competitive rent, which is basically of a good service to the retail customers.